Escolta is a prominent street in Binondo, Manila. It was derived from Spanish word means to escort. Served as Manila's financial and commercial center from 1800s to late 1990s. Its length is 1.6 km from Plaza Santa Cruz to Plaza Moraga and Titing Paredes Street. First up, the First United Building, formerly Perez sa Manila Building, built 1928 and was designed by architect Andres P. Luna, son of Juan N. Luna, a famous Filipino painter. Thank you. Next, Regina Building, formerly Rojas Building, designed by Andres Luna de San Pedro and Fernando H. Ocampo, a neoclassical Posa structure built in 1915. It is surrounded by Estero de la Reina and the Pasig River. The building currently houses several freight forwarding companies. The Burke Building, built in 1919, named after philanthropist William J. Burke. The first elevator in Manila was installed here at the Burke Building. Natividad Building, built 1920, situated along Escolta and Tomas and Bin Streets. Designed by architect Fernando de la Cantera Abuza Architecture. The building suffered some damages during World War. Calle Building, built in 1938, located along Escolta, corner South Streets, Binondo, Manila. It is a Bosa architecture, designed by architect Fernando H. Ocampo Sr. The building now houses the Escolta Museum. Commercial Bank and Trust Company Building, built in 1969 and was designed by architect Jose Maria Zaragoza. Jose Maria Zaragoza played a major role to reshape and reconstruct Manila during post-World War II. Don Roman Santos Building, built in 1894, with expansion works in 1957. A neoclassical building located along Escolta in Santa Cruz, Manila, fronting Plaza Lacson, leading to Rizal Avenue. It was originally the office of Natividad Savings Bank. Then it was replaced by American Red Cross Hospital from 1945 to 1947. Then Prudential Bank and South Supermarket. Now, it houses the Bank of the Philippine Islands after acquiring Prudential Bank year 2005.